Hello, stranger. What gifts can be made for children using neural networks? Neural networks can help create various interesting and creative gifts for children. Here are a few ideas.
Personalized stories. Neural networks can assist in creating personalized books or stories where the child's name, their friends, or favorite characters are incorporated into the plot. This makes reading even more engaging and interesting for children.
Drawings and illustrations. Neural networks can be used to generate unique drawings and illustrations that can then be printed on posters, t-shirts, or other items. A child would be delighted to receive a gift with their own original artwork or an image of their favorite hero.
Educational games. Neural networks can aid in developing educational games that help children learn various subjects and skills. These could be games for learning mathematics, languages, sciences, or even programming skills.
Musical composition. Neural networks can be utilized to create personalized musical compositions based on a child's preferences and interests. It could be a song with their name or a melody created specifically for them.
Virtual reality experiences. Neural networks can be employed to create virtual reality experiences that allow children to immerse themselves in interactive and captivating worlds. This could involve virtual tours of famous landmarks, adventures in a science fiction universe, or educational games.
These were examples of how gifts for children can be made using neural networks. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. There's a lot more exciting content ahead. Also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and wish us luck in the comments. Take care.